Hey guys, it's Jeff with Water Street Wealth Management. I hope you're having a great day so far and a good year so far. We're almost to the halfway point of this year, so I figure it would be a good opportunity to shoot a short video on why a mid-year review of your investment portfolio is a good idea. Anytime we do a review with clients, it's an opportunity for us to really measure and track their progress towards the goals that they set out for themselves. It's also an opportunity to look at those investments and identify any strengths in the portfolio or potential weaknesses, and we can make adjustments and position things appropriately going forward. So why should you do a mid-year review? The market is volatile. We want to make sure that that volatility hasn't affected your allocation. What do I mean by that? If you say, Jeff, I'm a 60-40 mix of stock to fixed income, or you're a balanced investor from a risk perspective, when we see volatility like we have this year, that can skew your allocation when it comes down to it. So if you were 60-40 back in December, and we take a look at that portfolio today, given the volatility that we've gone through, you might now be 50-50 stocks to fixed income. So we want to make sure that your allocation is always in line with the risk tolerance that you set up for yourself, and that you're positioned appropriately going forward. Next thing would be economic changes. So there's always changes with regards to economics. We saw interest rate rise earlier this year. There's talk of additional interest rate later this year. It's an opportunity for us to look at those investments and maybe make some adjustments and again, position things appropriately going forward into the next half of the year. Another thing would be tax changes. So we saw a major tax change back in December going into effect this year. It's an opportunity for us to just assess the investments, look at your situation, and make sure that you're taking advantage of the best tax benefits that you can. Finally, we would talk about life changes. So anytime there's a major life event, that could be changing jobs, marriage, birth of a child, you want to reassess your investments, make sure that they're in line with the objectives that you set out for yourself. Take a look at things like company benefits, look at your insurance coverages, and look at your estate planning documents. Make sure that everything is buttoned up and that your family is protected and your wants and wishes are outlined. So hopefully that was helpful. Don't let the investments take a back seat to life. I know life is hectic. Make sure that you do a review. If there's anything that we can help you with, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. We would welcome the opportunity to speak with you. Have a great rest of the day and a good rest of this year. Take care.